Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark your tweets as being potentially sensitive on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen and click on the profile icon at the top on the left side. Here you should scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the settings and support option. Click on it, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Here you should scroll down to the privacy and safety section, tap on it, scroll down and click on the second option within the your Twitter activity section, your tweets. So here you can manage the info associated with your tweets and mark media you tweet as containing material that might be sensitive. If you want to enable this feature, click on the button next to it on the right side of the screen. If you want to disable it, just come back to this section and click on the same button again so that your tweets will be marked as potentially sensitive or containing potentially sensitive information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.